In this video, I will show you how to return Shipstreak order. So in order to return your Shipstreak order, what you can do is you can first head over to any browser and search in here for Shipstreak. Once you have done that, you can see in here this raise or return request. So head over and click on that and then just enter in here the mobile number associated with that. So click on this request OTP. So make sure to input right here a valid number and click onto this request. And you just need to input right here the OTP that will actually be sent to this number. Once you have done that, you can actually go and return your request by contacting their actual customer service. You can also head back and click on this contact option. And then from in there, you can just type in here the query. So let's choose in here this inquiry and input right here your actual information and then click on submit and just wait for some days for them to reach back to you. So that's how you return ship streak order. Hope you helped.